Hello, my name is Jonathan Hanna, and this instrument I'm holding is a cello. And one of the most important things to know before you start playing is what each of these strings are called. So you have a C string, a G string, a D string, and an A string. And these strings are all tuned a fourth apart from each other. So whenever you play them together, you can hear a fourth. So that's one way to help you tune. And before we can start bowing like this, we need to know how to hold the bow first. And so what you want to do is you want to relax your bow holding hand and kind of pick it up like you'd pick up a pencil. And you just relax your hand around this is called the frog. You relax your hand around the frog, and you can rest your index here on, it's called the pad or the grip. And you can place you want your thumb to be in between your ring finger and your middle finger, and just rest like that. And you place your thumb in between the pad, you place your thumb in between the pad and the frog, and you want to just rest your hand. You don't want to be gripping it too hard. And so that's how you hold it. Now that we know how to hold it, we can talk about the three types of bowing techniques. The first one that I'm going to teach is called détaché, and it's a separated bow, and it sounds kind of like this. So it's going to do that a little bit better. Whoops. And then the second type is martelé, which is longer but still articulated notes, so that's going to sound like this. And then the last one is legato, which is the same, which is going to sound a lot like martelé, but the notes are more connected. Now that we know how the bowing works, we can learn to set up our left hand. And what you want to do is you want to have that same idea of the thumb in between these two fingers, and you want to rest your thumb in between them, but you want to make sure that you're not using it to squeeze. You want to make sure you're using your arm to push down the notes. And so you want to set up your first finger here on the first tape, and your third finger here on the second tape, and your fourth finger here on the third tape. And when you go from first finger to third finger, you want to push down all of these fingers. And so you can practice it by going up and down. And then now that we know how to do that, we can do the D tetrachord or monkey song, and that sounds like this. Make sure when we finish playing that last note that we make sure to go out and around and give the note resonance. And yes, I believe that is everything that I need to explain. So thank you.